Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. This is a master who teaches this transmission. He may be immersed in anything that he talks about or discusses, but if he does not have the Vajrasamaya, even this very Vajra master will definitely be reborn into a horrible life. The characteristic of a Vajra student is that he has faith, samaya, and compassion. He has a good character and does not get angry. He is able to practice and to renounce avarice. He is as unchanging as gold. His intellect is stable. This one is certain. This is bequeathed to him. It must not be put into a system more than twice. Whose attachments are great, who has no faith, but has an evil nature of wrath and rage, who delights in fame and the words of recognition, a person that has no compassion. This must not be distributed to or taught to him. From Sky Space, the Great Tantra on the Bodhicitta, this is Chapter 12, Teachings on Analogies and the Way They Are Applied. Teachings that have no ideas or obstructions. Now there is even more to be explained. In the mandala of a pure mind, our ideas and demarcations are our true essence. The way that things appear to us takes us to the end of our views. We do not hold on to any object as being a self-originating thought. The experience of equanimity is beyond duality. It is not a compound. It is not anything at all. It is the experience of awareness. It is not awareness. It is not ignorance. An open intellect who is friendly and equanimous, without prejudice, will dwell within the wheel of self-originating awareness in a way in which he has nothing to reject or accept. The heart essence of equanimity is the supreme secret. This is beyond the complications of profundities. We have no extreme or middle. The mind hero, who is totally free from any conceptions of emptiness, has a space that is unmoving. We understand our thoughts, while we do not think of anything. We stamp a seal on all those who have no methods. The heart essence of a heart essence is a supreme body. In the wisdom of the totally pure dominion of the sky, we do not dwell on any aspect of our cravings. This is not an attribution, it is the way that it is. The space of the sky is beyond any function. The mind that is beyond seeking has no essence.